The government is taking a more proactive approach in this sector. So, the initiatives that the government introduces, does it sort of affect the financing models of infrastructure projects, and have these initiatives sort of influenced this shift towards accessing the bond markets?
Yes, yes, definitely. See, why would an investor choose any product to invest? One is they should have surety that my returns are there.
Right.
There is a principal protection is there, and what kind of projects or what kind of company they are investing in. So companies like us depend on the government initiatives. When we see government initiatives are being taken seriously, government are taking a lot of initiatives like government infrastructure pipeline, Gati Shakti as mentioned in my projects. So they are focusing on industries like power, road, irrigation, railway, air transport, water transport. So a lot of push is there on these sectors. In fact, if you see a few of our PM speech, 2025 to 35 is going to be the decade of hydro project. That is what he has announced. So when government is making such statement, that means they are going to push proactively and practically taking every step to make sure that hydropower projects are being announced and completed on time. So for a retail investor who doesn't have a lot of access to actual due diligence on a company, so when Prakash ji said I've started investing in bond, which I was not doing few years back. I was doing equity, but then I understood my limitation on understanding any company. How much ever I do technical analysis or fundamental analysis, I cannot know what this company is doing. I'll have my limitation. Going to a bond market, I'll have some due diligence has already been done. Companies coming from bond is and rated, so experienced stalwarts like Prakash ji, who has been a rating head in one of the prominent rating agency, has already seen that project and given their okay before they issue a bond. And then companies like these platforms, BondsIndia, India Bond, they do their due diligence. So I am sure that sufficient due diligence has been done. It is safe for investment, and I'll have better return and less risk than a bank FD or an equity investment. So I would, whenever I make a portfolio, I would always have bonds in my portfolio to make a balanced portfolio investment.